Well, good morning, good morning, good morning. Hope you're having a good morning. I have a little coffee, get my morning started. We're back up to 80 degrees this morning. High today of 103. Oh my gosh, a hummingbird. I'm sorry, I love hummingbirds. Oh, I haven't seen a hummingbird around here for a while. All right, I had an upbeat video yesterday. I'm gonna have a little bit of a downbeat video this time. So, artificial intelligence and individual control. So one of the problems with the world as we become more and more technologically advanced is you as an individual, will you be able to control something? Here in the United States, we had a law put in place to allow us to have firearms. And I'm not here to talk about that, but the intent of some people for that right has to do with being able to control their destiny. And artificial intelligence is right now really controlled by certain individuals and certain corporations, and it's got a lot of safeguards to prevent individuals from doing things. Give you a stupid example. I was playing a game and role-playing game, and in the role-playing game, the people we were going after went into a cave. Uh, so the guy described the cave, and one of the guys said, "So you're saying it looks a little bit like an anus?" And the other people, he went, "Yeah, that's probably that was probably give a visual." So on my I wanted to get a picture done to create a picture, and of course, it came back and said, "Nah, I can't do that because of the A word." It didn't say that. It said, "I can't do that." So I was like, "Orifice? Nope, nope, can't do that." I said, "Hole in the earth," and it did that. But the thing was, I couldn't even give these general. I mean, I was just trying to get it to draw a picture of a cave and some adventures going into the cave, and it wouldn't do it. And that's happened to me before. Um, Sometimes the safeguards are so pronounced that they inadvertently just stop uh, information. I had Google's Bard seems to have that problem. Uh, Shoot, I was trying to get it to help me with a analyzing some XSLT information, and when I asked it to do something, gosh, I'm sorry, but I asked it to do something, and it was trivial, and it said, "I, I cannot do that. I am an AI." Say, and I'm like, "Yes, you can. The information is trivial. Try again." And on the second, on the safeguards, it said, "I guess he's right." Oh, so sometimes the safeguards are just downright annoying. It's amazing. However, what I'd like to do is encourage you to become very active in uh, safeguarding uh, the freedoms you have, because it is important that we all have the freedoms to create and control things inside of our lives in such a way that we can really enjoy the world around us. Excuse me, goodness. Someday we'll see. There are so many good people out there that do become misguided. It is easy to become misguided because we all think that everyone's exactly the same in some respects, and yet we do have so many different backgrounds and so many things that push us in certain directions. I have three kids, and they all have very different lives. Um, I have a stepson, and I have uh, my son and my daughter, who, if you met them, what they enjoy and what they want from life is very different, all of them. Uh, and so the idea that you could make one thing that they would all enjoy seems ridiculous to me, because even what they participate in and the joys that they share, they do them in very different ways. You could take them to a wonderful place like Panama City, Panama, and they would want to do very different things. So I'm hoping that they will have a lot of um, opportunity to choose what they want to do. Sorry, I know this is a little bit rambling, but it's a hard subject. I don't know what the solution is. I don't know how to protect yourself. You could have things in your software and your controls in your house and do it yourself. How many people can do that? And, I mean, until we have, oh shoot, what's the one from Star Trek that makes things automatically for you? We have replicators. You got to get the chips from somewhere. Got to get the chips from somewhere. So, anyways, we will get there one way or the other. I'm hopeful. I'm happy, and I hope to be the same way in 20 years from now. I hope you are too. You have a wonderful day and do your best to enjoy all the wonderful things that you enjoy. And we will talk to you later.